Hi friends, this is the rate I Old Monk, and today we are with the Lee 2. So this is the Lee Eco 2. The design looks good. It comes with the same family of Lee Eco 1S and Lee Eco, which was launched. One Eco was launched few days ago. So the ecosystem is already there. Let's check it out. The smartphone. The smartphone comes with the Heliox X20 processor. The processor is upgraded. Here you can see the power button, the volume rocker keys, and on the bottom you can see the Type-C USB cable for charging, the speaker grills which will give you a good audio. There is a SIM card slot, and let's check it out, the SIM card slot, how the SIM is. So it is a dual SIM smartphone. So the earlier model also had the dual SIM. As the battery is concerned, both are 3000 milliampere battery. The front camera is coming this time is 8 megapixel. Earlier it was 5 megapixel camera. And the back camera is also improved. It is 16 megapixel now. Earlier it was 13 megapixel camera. Dual tone LED flash. The fingerprint is very much visible. It is a rose gold color, looking pretty lovely, and it is a unibody display. As you can see, it is a metallic body at the back. 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage, and it is running on Marshmallow. So the Marshmallow will give you the new experience. Hopefully the N version will come. As you can see that 6.0.1 is the Marshmallow in this one, the smartphone. And other than that, it comes to the Lee TV. So going to the Lee ecosystem, here you can see all the channels what will be coming: NDTV, CNN, IBN, Asta. So the ecosystem comes with the whole ecosystem of the La, which gives you a totally TV experience. Here you can see the La accounts, what you can stick in that. There is a battery. The battery is 3000 milliampere. As far as the storage is concerned, this time the storage has been increased from 16GB to 32GB. The camera quality is definitely a good one. We have tried to take few shots. The camera came out very well. And going to the camera picture, here you can see that using the front camera came out well. As far as the back camera, the camera quality is definitely useful for us. For now we don't know the price of the device, but still this is all about, we know the price will be in the description below. This is all about Lee 2. This is at the rate I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.